Do you know you can make as much as 10,000 naira from your opay account from the comfort of your home? For those of you who don't know what opay is, or those who don't reside in Nigeria, opay is a financial program whereby you are able to make your daily or any kind of transaction within the country in question. Do you know that opay also has this platform whereby they help people raise money for loan or other investment option you wish to opt in for? But that's not the case today. Today, I'll be showing you easy steps you can use if you're a new opay user or old or current opay user. You can easily make 10,000 naira from opay from the comfort of your home. Nevertheless, I won't like to bore you with this video, but if you're a new viewer or you're just coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe to this my channel and give this video a thumbs up. As we dive into the video, I'll be teaching you a lot today. So I'm giving you guys 5 seconds to do that as I wait. So I believe you have liked the video and subscribed to my channel. There are several ways you can also make money from opay aside from the way I'm going to show you. You can also make money from opay through referrals. Currently, opay has over 300 million users worldwide, probably not just worldwide, but the country whereby they cover, and mostly it is African nations. opay users make approximately a billion naira transaction every single day. And that's to think of it. Do you know you can as much as get up to 10% of that a billion naira to yourself? Most of you might be wondering how, why, where, and how come. But I'll drop my referral link down the description of this video for those who are interested in also making money. And mind you, if you go through that referral link, you'll be able to purchase, or rather you'll be able to get 10% of every transactions that goes on opay every single day. This looks like a dream, right? But trust me, it is something that I've been doing, and I believe you too can do it. And it's easy as ABC. Like I previously said, opay is the number one transaction app most people use in the country as of now. For those who stay in Nigeria, you can relate to this. opay has also been doing a lot of things for the people. Aside from giving them loan, students have been investing in little investment companies whereby they make up to 20% annual interest or 180 days interest. There are also easy plans that you can also invest and make quick money. That's for 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days program, depending on which one you are interested in. For example, you that have 30,000 in your account that you are not using, you just kept it in your Access Bank or UBA or Diamond Bank. The money has been there for close to a year now, you haven't touched it. Do you know that that money, if it was invested in opay, by now you should have accumulated about maybe approximately times 3 of that money? That's saying 60,000 added to your 30,000, giving you a balance of 90,000 to yourself. Most of us make the mistake of just keeping our money in the bank, believing that we save money today for money to save us tomorrow. Yes, that's true. But do you know that if you invest today, your investment will also make you richer tomorrow? It's not about today, but it's about the long run. So now, what am I trying to say? All I'm trying to say is that investing, like taking high risk, bring high income. Most of you might not know about this, but I've been making this risk and I've been getting real income to myself. So this platform I'm showing you now is opay. You can easily make money from opay by just doing this simple thing. When you open your opay account, you will see N and you see big time win. Click on the big time win on the app section. If you are confused, don't worry, I'll drop my referral link under the description of this video. Create an account with it and you will see what I'm talking about. So in the big time win, just click on it and you will see that the moment you open an opay account, automatically you have 9,899 naira in your opay account. It's not visible in your balance, in your total balance. But when you refer someone, just one person, the 9,899 naira gets activated and it becomes 10,000 naira, and it is loaded and funded in your opay account for withdrawal and for any kind of transaction you wish to do with it. Yeah, most of you might still be thinking like, how is this possible? I repeat, just click on the referral link, open up your opay, sign up with the link, and click on big time win. Though when you open your opay account, you see them swiping like the advert, you'll see it's big time win, deals, investment. Just click on it and you will see your balance of 9,899 naira. Don't worry, just refer. If for those of you who have two number, it makes it easy for you. You can use the other number to refer that other number. That's opening account and opay account with the link on your first number. And when you do that, automatically you have referred someone, and that 9,800 becomes 10,000, and opay credits you that money. So if you know you've learned a lot, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, because I'll be bringing a lot of income or financial breakthrough videos for you from today. And trust me, this channel is about to become the number one in Africa. See you in my next video. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. Please do it to subscribe and like this video and kindly share with your friends. See you next time.